Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason your iPhone keeps telling you that the call is failed. Now, this happens for a couple of different reasons. There's never really one reason why this happens, but the first thing I would highly recommend you to look at is to make sure you have service. As long as you have some sort of service, you should be good to go for the most part. I've been in many situations where, the main issue at hand was that I didn't have enough service and I was pretty much in the basement, or if I was like in the middle of nowhere and I had no service, the calls could technically fail at that point. So that's the first thing to kind of understand. If you're getting calls failing like this, you want to make sure you have service. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that person also has signal that you're calling, or it's a proper number. If you're not typing in a right number, typically that's one quick way to tell, okay, this isn't actually a fully functional device, or that's a quick way to tell, okay, this isn't actually a full number. There could be some reasons why they didn't give you the full number for some reason, but that's a really easy way to go ahead and fix that too. You just want to go ahead and type in the proper number, type in the proper area code, and that'll pretty much fix it in and of itself. And that's typically how I've seen it time and time again. Now, if that doesn't fix it, you want to go to a proper network connection. You want to connect to a better signal, maybe connect to better Wi-Fi. But you can also make your way over to your settings, and this is probably the thing that may fix it for you. You want to go ahead and make your way over to your general settings here. You want to click software update, and you want to see if there's an update available. If there is an update available, you pretty much just want to update to that version of software. Most of the time, that will end up fixing it, and that's what pretty much fixed it for me time after time. Now, if that doesn't fix it for you, the next thing I'd recommend doing, or if there's no update for you, I'd recommend just restarting your iPhone. So hold up the volume up button and the side button here, slide the power off, and then go ahead and see if you're still experiencing that issue. If you are, I would probably recommend just waiting out for an update, trying different signals, trying different things like that, move your iPhone around a little bit. But ultimately, you may have to wait for Apple. You can also reach out to them and see if there's an update too. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.